Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to update multiple tasks at once in TickTick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your TickTick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the inbox option right there. Go ahead and click on it to access all your current tasks. This is where you'll be able to view and manage everything you need to update in bulk. Now, here's where the bulk editing magic happens. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and start clicking on the tasks you want to update. This allows you to select multiple tasks at once instead of having to update each one individually, which saves you a ton of time when you're managing several tasks with similar due dates or priorities. You'll notice each task you click gets highlighted, indicating it's now part of your selection. Once you've selected all the tasks you want to update, look over to the right side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the bulk editing options available for your selected tasks. You'll see a button labeled Date and Reminder. Click on it and a calendar picker will appear. From here, select the date you want to apply to all your selected tasks. This is perfect when you need to reschedule multiple tasks to the same day without having to edit them one by one. Below the date option, you'll also see options to set a specific time and reminder for your tasks. Click on it to open the time picker, then choose the exact time you want your tasks to be scheduled for. You can also set a reminder at this stage which will notify you at the time you specify. Once you've configured both the time and reminder settings, click OK to apply these changes to all your selected tasks. Moving down, you'll find the priority option. This feature lets you categorize your tasks based on urgency. Click on it and select whether you want to mark them as high, medium, or low priority. This helps you organize your workload and focus on what matters most first, ensuring your most important tasks get the attention they deserve. Below the priority setting, you'll see an option to add tags. This step is completely optional, but it's incredibly useful if you like to organize your tasks by categories or projects. Click on it and add any tags that make sense for the tasks you're updating, making it easier to filter and find them later. Finally, below the tags section, you'll notice several additional options like Done, Pin, Merge, Duplicate, Copy Text, Convert to Note, Link Parent Task, and other useful actions. These give you even more flexibility in how you manage your tasks in bulk, allowing you to perform various actions all at once depending on your needs. And that's it. You've now successfully updated multiple tasks at once in TickTick, streamlining your workflow and saving valuable time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.